Hello and welcome back. This is Safa. In this video, we are going to learn about histograms in images and how to use their solving to separate objects from the background. A histogram shows how pixel values are distributed in an image. The x-axis is intensity value from 0 to 255 and the y-axis is the number of pixels for each intensity. In MATLAB, we can use imhist to plot the histogram of an image. This function is commonly used with grayscale images. Thresholding converts a grayscale image into a binary image. If a pixel is greater than the threshold, it becomes white, otherwise black. In MATLAB, we can use imbinarize with a threshold value. Okay, here first I read the coin image and converted it to grayscale with I'm to gray, I'm red, I'm show. Then I plotted its histogram using imhist. Next, I applied manual thresholding at t equal 100, turning pixel brighter than 100 into white and others into black. And finally, I use imbinarize, which automatically finds the best threshold using Otsu method. Okay, run. Okay, figure 1, original grayscale image. Figure 2, histogram of image. Figure 3, threshold at t equal 100. And finally, figure 4, automatic thresholding Otsu method. Always remember, histogram helps us understand the brightness distribution, while thresholding converts grayscale images into binary form. And thanks for watching. Follow along with me in this series and let's learn image processing step by step in MATLAB.